I'm Aga Tompkins. Welcome to my channel. Today is the giveaway contestant winner day. Get excited. So I decided to do a look with this palette and these gorgeous, I lost one somewhere down there, but anyway, with these gel liners, and I felt like you guys had to see one more look out of this palette before I announce the winner. And somebody very lucky will win a set of these of their own, and I'm really excited to share this with you guys. So check out this look and then you'll know who the winner is. Yay! And that's the look. I really had fun doing these purples. I did a little pink, a little sneaky pink in there, and a little sneaky Lucky Charm shimmer. I really love this purple look. I honestly am starting to love purples. Also, I did my nails. It'll be a whole nother video, but at the time I didn't even know they're Christmassy because it's Christmas time, like Christmas is in a couple days. But I did red underneath, and then I improvised and did this glitter stuff, which is green. And my daughter was like, oh, it's like Christmas, and I didn't plan that, but how convenient. So side note, keeping you guys in the loop. Another thing, my daughter wrote out all the people that decided to come join the contest. What doing?
I am writing down all the people for the contest.
Oh snap. Win some stuff for free. Free dollars. And I'm really excited to pick someone. Hopefully you guys are excited too. Honestly, doing these giveaways is like one of my favorite things ever, and I don't know why I didn't do this a long time ago. I always try to get like some of these things when it's a deal and then share it with somebody else. It's like the best giving feeling ever, and I can't wait to see some of the looks you guys create. The last giveaway I did, the girl that won was so sweet, and she wanted to win so bad. She tried so hard, and when she won, I couldn't even believe it because so many people were in that contest, and it was so cool. And she's done so many incredible looks since then, and it's just really fun to see somebody get something like this and then just play around and have a good time with it. It makes me happy. Sharing the makeup love with friends. The way I do this contest is I use random number generator on my phone. That's how I pick the winner, you know? And so I'm going to go ahead and do that right now. Kimberly Breeding. Yay, good job. I gotta look up who that is. Let's see here. Okay, so where am I going? I'm going to YouTube, duh. Okay, YouTube and Kimberly Breeding. I absolutely love ColourPop. This is a palette that you can do so much with. I'm a mom of 3, so I do not get to buy myself makeup that often. So to win this would mean so much to me. Well, guess what, Kimberly? You did it. I actually wonder too, like, I did this in like this ColourPop group, and it's called ColourPop Fanatics, and I swear I recognize her face from the post. Hold on, I'm gonna look it up right now. And I did a post on here, so let's see. I swear I recognize that name. Yup. This person is from the ColourPop group, and I'm so excited because I really secretly hope that somebody from that group would win because they gave me so much support on this post, and that is the coolest, and I'm really glad. I cannot wait to send this out, and I cannot wait to give this to you. So you did it. You're the lucky one, and thank you all so much for all your support. I will be doing more giveaways, I promise. I even have some just waiting for after this one. So this is not the last giveaway I'm doing, so don't worry if you didn't win this time. There will be plenty more. I am on a roll. So I just want to share makeup with people, and so we can all have fun and draw on our face. Thanks for joining me. Thanks for your support. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Check out my Instagram. I post stuff on there, and I often do extra little bonus things on there. And if you're my friend from the ColourPop group, nice to meet you, and I'm excited to see all of your guys' stuff on there. And I just want to say thank you to the ColourPop group because honestly, this was so much more fun knowing that there's a bunch of people that really love this brand. So I'm stoked. All right, guys, see you later. Bye.